Okay, you see here on the M4 tab here, there's a, you can see clearly there's M4 times 0.7. 0.7 is the pitch. Okay, so you cannot drill 4 mm. You must drill how many mm? Hello? 0.7 is the pitch. M4 you need the tab. You need to cut internal thread using this tab. M4. So the pitch is 0.7. That means you must drill the hole 0.7 lesser. So, what's the drill size? 3. What? 3.3, yeah. 4 minus 0.7, the pitch is 0.7. So, the drill size is supposed to be 3 mm, 3.3. Okay? You're going to drill to the depth 15 mm deep. Okay? So, before you do that, do the marking first. Okay? Mark behind here. So, you set 15 mm first distance to the center, second distance, another height 35. Clear? 15 and then 35. Alright. So you set 15 mm using the vernier height gauge. Alright. After that you lock it. Okay, 15 mm, the 0 in line with the 15 mm mark, alright. Then after that you lock it, cut across. So this one is 15 mm. Okay, another height is how many mm? 35. 35 mm. Okay, 35 mm here. Cut across. Now, on the drawing here stated 10 mm is the thickness, but your workpiece thickness is not 10 mm. Your workpiece thickness is actually 9.5. Okay, so 9.5 divided by 2 is how many mm? 4.75. Alright, so we set the reading about 4.8, quite close, 4.75, very near to 4.8. Okay, so you set 4.8, you lock it. Put it flat. I know it's very difficult to balance, but you try to put it flat and then cut across like this. So this side, center. Clear? Alright. And then another one, this side also, center. Okay, so you got 1 point, 2, 3, 4 points. Right. Them in the center, resting on the flat surface here. Here, clean properly. Resting here. Tighten this way. Okay, the flat surface lean against the fixed jaw like this. Alright, so turn this way. Then lower down the table. Fix up the center drill. Alright, fix up the center drill. This one who one? Push, never tighten. Pull. Come on here. Push the brake tight. Push it tight. This one never tighten. Must tighten. Okay. Okay. Loosen. Push out. Okay. So fix up the center drill. Lower down a bit more. Okay, you go to the first point here. The first marking point here. Alright. Get the center first. This one unlock. Bring down slowly. Check. Move to the center. Okay, once you get the center ready, first point, then what you do, set this one 0, X, and then Y also same thing, both axis 0, 0. Okay, then start from the here, you on the spindle high speed, drill a bit, Little bit, like that enough already. I don't drill until so deep. Just the front tip touches. Okay, that is enough already. How? The center drill, the front tip here touches can. Alright. Okay, you move X 9.5. Move 9.5 X. Then you will get to the center next. Alright. Okay. Then how about Y? The distance Y. Remember the 35 minus 15. So from here to here is how many? So the Y distance is 20. 20 mm. Then back to 0 again. Right, back to 0. So okay, 4 points, finish. After that, what must you do? Take out the center drill. Stop the machine. Center drill take out. Fix up the drill bit. Diameter 3.3, yeah. 3.3 mm. Fix up the center drill. The diameter 3.3. And make sure you clamp in the center. Clamp properly, yeah. Okay. Tighten. So, I want to drill to the depth of 15 mm. Alright, so I touch. After I touch already, I lock this one. Check. This one, the reading can see, you know. This is scale. One reading, one division 1 mm. So you put a pedal bar, you move me across. Now this is start at 2 mm. So if I want to drill to 15 mm, I got to go until how many? 17, right? Okay. So start from here. On the machine. Same thing, high speed. So I drill until 17 mm, I stop. Slowly drill. Don't rush. Clear the chips. Okay, even if you go a bit lower than 15, slightly deeper than 15, never mind, okay? Because this one you're going to tap later on, alright? So drill a little bit, 1 mm more also never mind, alright? So until about 17 or 18 mm. Alright. Stop. Okay. Then move on to the next one. What's the reading? 9.5. Same thing. Clear the chip, don't rush. This one, the drill can break easily. Make sure the drill don't break inside. Alright. Slowly, at interval, drill a bit, bring out, clear the chip like this. Alright, normal way. This is normal way of drilling. Don't use strength, just lightly. So same depth. Touch a bit. Okay, finish. Next one. Back to 0. Same depth, okay, same depth, alright, slightly deeper, doesn't matter, alright. Okay. Last one. Back to 0. Right. Now different machine, they got different scale here. Some machine, the reading there is different. You can set. Alright, okay, finish already. Stop. Alright, then turn clockwise. This one also. Right, turn clockwise. Clamp your workpiece using the copper plate. Clamp here. Clamp near the, and make sure it's straight now. The drill hole. Don't slant. Make sure it's straight. Clamp nearer. Right turn. So this is M5. One set. M5 times 0.8. Okay. You use a tab that is tapered, more tapered in front of the first tab. Right here. Okay, this is a second tab. So either you can use this one or this one, no problem. Because you are tapping a through hole. Right. This is the tab wrench. Tab wrench, how to put a tab inside here. Can you see here? There's a square end here. Can you see now? The tab here, can you see there's small V here, there's a small V here. Once it's fixed, one side is fixed, the other side is movable. Movable, that means you can tighten. Loosen and tighten. Alright, just like the vice, one side is fixed, one side is movable. Movable is supposed to be tightened or loosened. Same principle. So this one tab wrench you put, don't clamp on the round surface. If you clamp on the round surface, protruding out like that, wrong. There's no grip. No grip. You must make sure that the square end sit flat surface against the V shape. This one against the V shape like this. See? Even you put the tab, use a tab, and the tab wrench also got correct way. Not just suka put in. Some of the students show them how to do like that. They go back to the bench only, they just gasak only. You know what is gasak? Just put like that. Sir, how come cannot turn? You say you grip on the wrong surface. So grip like this. Like this. Anything protruding? If you put like that, this one cuts out. Wrong, There, Alright, so tapping. Make sure it's perpendicular. Turn clockwise. Apply a bit of pressure downward. At the same time, pressure downward, turn clockwise. Okay, you see the chip drop below. Okay, slowly. Alright. Don't rush. The first two threads, very important. Make sure you cut properly first. Once it's stable already, right? 90 degrees, don't start. I think the tab matic a bit oil, just dip a bit, right? Then you continue to do the same thing. One turn clockwise, right? Half turn backward. Why you turn backward? Because to clear the chip. Alright, once you cut, just like when you do the cutting off, right? Turn a bit, bring out the chip across. Turn a bit, okay? Right, so this one is clockwise, one turn, half turn backward. So continue the same thing like this. You must repeat the same step. See? Always turn backward half a turn. After one turn, turn backward half a turn. So that the tab will not break inside. Alright, like this. So like this. Okay? Can you see the chip start to drop from below, right? So you're supposed to tap until the tab can turn freely. Turn freely meaning you no need to use force. Right? Just continue like this. One turn clockwise, half turn backward. So you continue the same thing. Okay, you see the tab go through already. Can you see the chip all stuck on the tab, right? Alright, then you see, you turn freely, that means you can turn by finger, one finger. This is called turn freely. No obstruction, no need to use force. Right, finish. Before you turn backward, get a brush. Below this chip, clear the chip first. Right, then you can turn backward. Hold the shank here, don't drop. At the same time, you turn anti-clockwise. Turn backward. Like this, finish. So this is M5. Okay, see, internal thread M5. There's a screw for you to check. can check using this one. Be able to turn freely.